What's up, Camp Griddle? One of my favorite things to do on my family's RV trips is to go for an early morning hike with my kids. When we come back, they are often incredibly hungry and they often ask for breakfast sandwiches. So on today's episode, we are going to make my hungry hiker breakfast sandwich, and we're going to do it 3 different ways. We're going to do the classic, we're going to do a sweet version, and we're going to do a spicy version. So let's get camping and let's get cooking. We are back at Spacious Skies Campgrounds, Country Oaks, and I'm hanging with Sean the camera guy and Maverick, and we are all hungry. So let's make our 3 different breakfast sandwiches, and we're gonna give them each a score and decide which one we like the best. Now, at their core, these are basically sausage, egg, and cheddar breakfast sandwiches, which my kids love so much, but each one's got a little bit of a spin and it's got some different ingredients. So let's whisk up an egg for breakfast sandwich number 1, the classic. Let's go down with our sausage patty on about medium heat. We want to get that started first. It's going to take a little bit longer. Then let's get our English muffin pre-toasting, and let's use one of the egg rings to get our egg going as well. Our English muffin is now...
You turned to a pirate.
What's that?
You turned into a pirate.
I know. Arr. Our English muffin is now toasted to perfection, so let's pull that off. Let's pull the egg ring off of the egg and flip that over and go down with a slice of cheddar cheese, and we're gonna dome that so it melts perfectly. Now let's assemble our classic Happy Hiker sandwich and give it a score. Sausage, egg, and cheddar on the oversized English muffin, that's key, with some ketchup. Nothing fancy here, okay? This is the classic. This is what my kids like. Let's give it a bite and give it a hungry hiker score. It's like a perfect combo, sausage, egg, cheddar, ketchup. I give it 4.5 hungry hikers. It's a little bit like the Starbucks breakfast sandwiches out there. My kids love those too. This works for me every time.
All right, don't be mad at me. I'm gonna give this 2.5 Happy Hikers.
2.5 Happy Hikers. Dude, it's a sausage, egg, and cheddar.
But this is the baseline.
What's
That's
not to
right
love
in the
about
middle.
it, you
That's
little
right
jerk.
in the middle. This is
I'm
the
not gonna
baseline.
let you score the rest of them. It's like pork, egg, or cheese. Pork, egg, and cheese are nothing for you.
No, this is the baseline for a sausage, egg, and cheese.
How do you know you're gonna like the other ones more?
Right in the middle. This is right in the middle. Baseline.
I don't think you're gonna like the spicy one. Now let's move on to our sweet version of the Hungry Hiker breakfast sandwich. And for this one, we are actually gonna use some apple slices and honey. Trust me, Camp Griddle, this is gonna be delicious. So let's go down again with one of our sausage patties. Let's get our English muffins pre-toasting. Let's get our egg mixture on there again. And once all of that is done, let's plate this one just like the last one. We're gonna add that apple slice and we're gonna add some honey to either side of the English muffin, and it is gonna be toasty, and it is gonna be sweet, and it is gonna be delicious. So let's give these a try and give it a hungry hiker score. The Hungry Hiker breakfast sandwich, the sweet version with a Honeycrisp apple slice and honey on the English muffin. Some of you are thinking I'm crazy, but I think it's gonna taste pretty good. That actually really works. The honey and the sausage together taste so good. The apple gives it a little bit of a crisp bite. This came together very nicely. Is it better than the original? I don't know. I think I'm gonna give it a 4.5 as well. It's a tie between this and the original. Give it a score, you cranky old man.
The honey is very good on this. I'll agree with you. Also, Honeycrisp apple, the superior apple to all apples. I'm gonna go, this is better than the original. 3.5.
Ooh.
No, 4. I'm gonna give it a 4.
4.
I'm
I'll take it. We'll take it. Now let's move on to the spicy version of our Hungry Hiker breakfast sandwich. We're gonna whisk up another egg, but we're gonna add some onions and some peppers this time. Everything else is pretty much gonna go the same as the last 2, except we're gonna go down with some Sriracha on our English muffins. Hungry Hiker breakfast sandwich with peppers, onions, and Sriracha, the spicy version. This is my favorite of the 3. Just by a little bit, I'm gonna give it a 5. This is a delicious, spicy breakfast sandwich with a kick. Captain Cranky's back.
Captain Cranky.
Give us the score on the Happy Hiker breakfast sandwich spicy edition.
I'm going to say that this, I like the spiciness, but I think it goes maybe a little less than the honey. So I'm gonna give this one the 3.5.
This one, the 3.5.
This one, the 3.5.
Right.
In between the regular
I still think that your score on the classic, like your score on the classic sausage, egg, and cheddar, total bunk, dude.
For me, that's a baseline. So both of these were better. If I had ranked that sandwich a 4,
I
I would have no room.
You could have
There'd be
started
no
with the
scale.
3, not a 2.5. Okay, so your favorite was the one with the apple and the honey.
It was, surprisingly.
All right, so in last place was the original. I gave it a 4.5. Sean gave it a 2.5. Yes, Maverick, we're gonna feed you in a minute, buddy. So that one got a
7.
A 7. Then the sweet version, I feel so bad, I gotta feed the pup. The sweet version, I gave a 4.5, and you gave a 4.
4.
So that was an 8.5.
Yep.
Then the spicy version, I gave a 5, and you gave a 3.5. So also an 8.5. That was a tie. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Get him water. So we both agreed that the 2 elevated versions were better than the original or the classic version. So both the spicy and the sweet tie, and they win this episode. Let me know in the comments below which one looks the best to you. And we were just having some fun today, Camp Griddle More. I know that these are just sausage, egg, and cheddars with a couple extra ingredients, but also let me know in the comments, like, what kind of breakfast sandwich do you love making at the campground? Because my family sure does love to rock a breakfast sandwich after we go hiking, when we are camping. We'll see all of you next week right here at Camp Griddle More. Thank you so much for joining us.